Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create simple but super effective measures in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to calculate things like totals, averages, maximums, and even the distinct count of products in just a few clicks. Don't worry if you're new to Power BI or if measures feel a bit intimidating. I'm going to walk you through every step and explain not just what to do, but why it matters, so you can really start to harness the power of your data. Let's dive in. Now, to save a bit of time, I've actually already written out the formulas we'll need for our measures, and you can find those down in the description below. That way, if you prefer to copy and paste rather than type them out by hand, you're all set. Before we create any measures, you'll notice that I've made a dedicated measures table. Organizing your measures in their own table is a great habit because it keeps your Power BI workspace tidy, especially as your projects get larger and more complex. Think of it kind of like keeping all your essential tools in a special drawer so you always know where to find them. All right, let's start creating our first measure. Go ahead and right-click on your measures table and select New Measure. This brings up the formula bar where we can enter our DAX expression. For our first one, we're going to build a total sales measure. All we need to do here is paste in total sales equals sum data for measure sales. What's happening here is Power BI is summing up all the values from the sales column within our data table. So anytime you drag this measure onto your reports, it'll instantly calculate your total sales for any filter, date, or product you might have applied. Measures like this become incredibly versatile, updating their results dynamically based on how you slice and dice your data. Next, let's create another one in the exact same way. Right-click the measures table, hit New Measure, and paste in total quantity equals sum data for measures quantity. Similar idea, this measure adds up all the quantities, giving you a live total that responds to your filters and visuals. This is perfect for answering quick questions like, how many products did we actually sell? Let's keep rolling. Again, right-click your measures table, select New Measure, and enter. Average sales equals average data for measure sales. This measure is super handy. Instead of just knowing your total sales, average sales tells you, for example, what your typical sale looks like. Is it a $10 item, a $500 item? This kind of insight is great for understanding your business performance at a glance. Next, let's create a measure to find the largest single sale transaction. After creating a new measure, paste in max sales equals max data for measure sales. This measure tells you the highest value in your sales column. It's sort of like asking what's the biggest sale we've ever made. If you're tracking sales performance or setting records, this is a quick way to identify those standout deals. Last but definitely not least, let's create a measure that counts the number of unique products that have been sold. Right-click the measures table, select New Measure, and copy this formula. Product count equals distinct count data for measures product. This is especially useful when you want to know your product diversity or how many distinct products you've moved. If you have 5 sales but it's all the same product, that's a very different scenario than selling 5 different items. And there you have it. 5 essential super simple measures that you can use right away to enhance your Power BI reports. Remember, it's totally normal if it takes a few tries to get comfortable with creating measures, so don't be discouraged. Practice makes perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more Power BI tips, just drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video.